Am I an a-hole for calling a girl ugly in front of all of my friends? I, 23 female, am a lesbian. I've known most of the people in my main friend group since school days. We're 11 people, 8 of us went to middle school and high school together. I came out to them in March of 2023. Coincidentally, our group got a new member around the same time, Mary, 24 female. So I came out shortly after she got added into all of the group chats, and she made a joke about how she awoke something in me. I laughed it off and I thought that was it. Well, it wasn't. She would repeatedly make these jokes about how she was my gay awakening because it was apparently a weird coincidence that I came out right after she joined the friend group. After a while, it stopped being funny and I took her aside. By that point, she had been joking about it for 4 or 5 months. And I told her that these comments made me really uncomfortable and asked her to stop, and she brushed me off. The comments didn't get any less, and she started making them in front of people outside of the friend group too. It became really annoying, and whenever she said these things, I made a point of correcting her, but she always kind of just laughed about it. I tried joking back that she wasn't my type, but I think that made me look like I was lying. It was extremely frustrating. So 2 days ago was my final straw. We went to a party and Mary knew a girl there, Jeannie, 24 female, and she waved the rest of us over to introduce us. Turns out Jeannie was also gay, which Mary made a point to tell me directly. Before I could say anything, she turned back to Jeannie and pointed at me and went, "She's gay too, you know, but don't get your hopes up too high because she kinda has a crush on me." I was really annoyed and said, "You know that's not true, so stop telling people that." To which she said, "You don't need to be embarrassed, I'm pretty hot," in a joking tone. I snapped at her and said, "That's a weird way to say effing ugly." She went quiet and then excused herself. Yesterday, I got a long message about how hurt and disappointed she was. Most of our mutual friends are on my side except for the 2 who weren't there and refused to take sides. Fair enough. But a lot of the other people who witnessed it have been blowing up my phone about how mean what I said was. And now I'm wondering, did I overreact? Yeah, definitely not the a-hole. That girl is completely childish and very immature. The fact that OP already pulled her aside and politely told her how uncomfortable it made her feel, and then she kept doing it? No, that girl deserved it. She needed to be put in her place. Plus, it seems pretty clear to me that she's the one who had the crush on OP. It just seems like an extremely childish way to flirt. So for me, OP is definitely not the a-hole, and Mary is a 4 out of 10 just for being really annoying. So you guys have to let me know what a-hole ratings you would give these 2 in the comments. Also, can we take a second to talk about my latest resin creation? I have been using this crystal jewelry box a lot because it's definitely my favorite mold. And you guys know that I've been on a gold kick lately, so I had to use my gold crushed glass and my gold iridescent glitter. And this box came out so glamorous and it just feels so fancy and I love it. So I am dying to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments. Also, drop some gold emojis if you made it all the way till the end of the video. All right, Resonators, thank you so much for being here and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.